yung MRI na ibinigay ng DOH under the HPEF program is the one that became yung faulty, hindi na siya nag-work. Ngayon, to have it operational, to have it serviced, medyo mataas din. 25 million din. So, pinag-iisipan namin kung ano ba yung dapat gawin. I mean, of course, we know the importance of it, but ang ano natin is, should we just invest in a newer one with service contracts or ask again from DOH? So, we are checking all avenues para makakuha ka agad ng ano natin dito. At least dito sa Grasma. Yung sa Mariano Marcos, hindi ko sure kung ano yung steps na kinukuha nila. But then for Grasma, yun po yung ginagawa namin. And I believe it was also addressed to me that iibahin ang location ng MRI sa Grasma mismo. Kasi right now, the location of the MRI is close to the roadway. Siyempre, magnetic yun, di ba? Magnetic resonance. So, nagkakaroon, any slight vibration, maa-affect. So, yun ang aanak namin. That's what we are trying to also fix up. As a matter of fact, I believe on January 21 to 23, there is a seminar for all the architects and engineers for hospitals. So I also encourage the LGUs that have hospitals in them, like Bingras, Marcos, Bangi, Pitik, all those hospitals and all those LGUs na may hospitals to really send their architects and engineers para alam nila kung paano pinaplano yung mga situation kung saan ilalagay yung mga ganito, yung mga laparoscopy, yung mga CT scan para effective ang pagkagawa.
Kaya na, ma'am, may balik yung service na ito within this year, ma'am, kasi...
Oh, yes, of course. So, as a matter of fact, one of the priority namin yan, kasi syempre, we need the MRI for all our kakainats also. So, as soon as possible, we are working on it to have it happen.